finally got another one.
What's good, gang? What's good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Big Shape Finesse, by Finesse, back with another video. And today, I'm going to be attempting to do some Yoshi eggs. Now, the Yoshi eggs are just... Hold on, baby. The Yoshi eggs are just a side project. I did find the wood on the ground, outside on the porch, from my past projects that I did. So, I don't know how it's going to turn out. And what's up, baby? Okay. And then also I'm going to be trying out some glitter that I bought. I don't know how the glitter is going to come out. I don't know what colors I'm going to really use. But I am going to attempt to try to figure out how that works. Like, how long does it take to actually dry? And is that epoxy gonna work really good with the glitter that I got? Like, I don't know if you need a certain type of glitter or not, anything, but I'm still new to this. I just walking y'all and showing y'all what my process is. Hush, baby. Hold on. I'm just walking y'all through my process and showing y'all how I do it. Let's get to the video. So I decided to make these Yoshi egg things for my family, and I got 4 of them, right? These are the Yoshi eggs. I already drew them out, and I haven't yet cut them completely. This is just used board that I had outside. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this used board, and I wanna be able to use my glitter. So of course these are gonna be different colors, not just green. So as y'all can see, I cut them out and I turned down the cutter. So I tried to get smoother edges, but y'all know that wood's so thin, it's still kind of messed up. I sanded it down the best way I could. And now it's time for the painting. This is one of them, y'all. It's done painting. I'm just gonna epoxy it after it dries. So you guys, I painted it and then I added some glitter to be different on all of them. What I'm gonna do next is just epoxy it because it's all dry. This is the type of glue that I use for the glitter to go on the wood. This is the best one that I know of. I went to go check on my eggs, and overnight, this is what happened. I guess I gotta let that glitter dry a little bit more before I start epoxying it. Because as you can see, whatever glitter that was on the top, it slid down into the epoxy. So now it just looks, ridiculous. That looks really bad. Damn. As y'all see, I didn't check on it, and look at the bubbles. That's crazy. Some of that, it didn't even come out right. Oh my. Well, I'm still new to this, so I guess it's okay. This one came out okay, but you can see the little bubbles. I'm gonna get these to my daughter. I'm gonna put these on the wall and put her name on them. Can't sell these. Nope. Can't show that type of product. This one look really bad, damn. Well, work in progress. As y'all can see, I was just trying some stuff. This was used wood that was on the ground already. I just wanted to see what I can do with that glitter. To see if that glitter will stick, to see how the epoxy will stick to the glitter and the board at the same time. As that's first time actually letting it happen. I know for sure I need to let that glue dry, probably 24 hours or something. So I know when I put the epoxy on there that it's not gonna come off. I don't need it to come off. I don't need it to slide. I don't need it to get everywhere, because when I actually start selling this artwork, it needs to be perfect. I don't need to slide or anything. Cause this messed the project up. But you know what? It's a neat little project for somebody that's learning. Like, this is cute. And this is used wood, so I tried, y'all. So if y'all like that video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below how I do on just like, that was a little side project. That wasn't even, like, I'm not gonna add that to an inventory. Like, I'm not gonna sell that. But, you know, if it was to go, if I do it the right way and the glitter don't slide, those type of eggs will go for like $20 a piece, $25 a piece. That's if it's done right. Like, the epoxy gotta be on point, the glitter gotta be on point, it can't slide, the lines aren't gonna look bad. This is just used wood that I found outside, you know, that was already primed, and I wanted to see what that glitter was gonna do. Should I order different glitter? Should I get glow-in-the-dark glitter? I wanted to see how it was gonna stick. So, you know, basically I'm just trying some things out because I did buy a lot of stuff. This little project that I did didn't go horribly wrong, but it went bad. But you know what? Worst case scenario, I'm hanging them on my wall. Like, so it is what it is. They're not gonna get sold, but they're gonna be on my wall. I just gotta find somewhere where they're gonna be at. Like, I can put the eggs right here on the patio or something. I'll figure it out. I hope y'all love this video. Y'all hit that thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below. What should I do next? What should I try? And I love y'all, gang. Peace.
My nigga Johnny got another one.